So I did a quick YouTube search for Walmart gaming PC. Okay, so the top hit is us. We got 12 million views on that video. That's absolutely incredible. It was a lot of fun because the thing was so bad. But we wanted to do a follow-up building a DIY gaming PC at Walmart. So I greenlit this project, building a gaming PC at Walmart. What? Knowing that we were going to be at a bit of a disadvantage making this video because we can't physically go to a US Walmart where they actually do stock some computer hardware. And, you know, because of COVID, it was going to take a long time to get everything, you know, through customs and shipped. But I didn't think that I was under any kind of pressure to make the video in a timely manner. So we greenlit it. We got all the parts. They arrived and I went and looked at Austin's channel and realized, oh no, not only did Austin just do this concept, so this is before we filmed it, we realized. So it's about 2 to 3 weeks before this. So it had just come out a few weeks ago. So we look and we go, not only has Austin done this concept, but he just did it weeks ago and frankly did a way better job than us. Now what do we do?
My favorite thing about this, which I realized right before you said it, because I was trying to find what you're talking about, because again, we talked, was it before the stream, about how I can't see what you're talking about live? So I'm trying to search it, and I find Austin's video, but I hear you say the title, I was like, this is the same thing, and then I found yours, and I was like, the ellipses are just moved, and everything else is the same.
So by the time we knew, at the time we were filming, we knew that we were going to be effectively copying his video, but we didn't copy it. We had the idea to do a follow-up on Walmart gaming PCs where you build it yourself independently. We just happened to execute on it slower than him and worse due to circumstances beyond our control, like that we are not American and cannot go to a US Walmart. And so we made the decision that rather than launching nothing and getting, you know, zero engagement with our audience, we are going to launch something. And yeah, we're not going to get as many views as our bitter rival, Austin Evans, but we're going to get
Austin the Boston Evans.
Some. We're going to try and find some ways that we can, you know, add our voice to this conversation and put our own unique spin on it and move on to the next project. And so that's pretty much what Intel is doing here. They are realizing in the lead up to launching this product that they are not even close to competitive, but making the decision to go ahead knowing that they're better off launching something than launching nothing. That's the bottom line.
That happened to me, sort of, almost similar. I didn't know it was, I didn't know his video dropped after we had already filmed it, but the networking wall video with Jayztwocents back in the day, do you remember that?
I do remember that.
Jay was super cool about it. I remember Jay's audience was like ripping us apart, and Jay was like, whoa, guys, relax.
So, for the history, Luke did a video on making your own like network gear wall. I'll see if I can find it here real quick. Yeah, this is back when we had titles that were easy to find. Oh, and that's back when you could put the word ghetto in a YouTube video title, and I should probably just change that title. So anyway, DIY networking wall, a renter's solution. Luke basically mounts all the network gear to the wall and kind of cable manages it in like 6 minutes because that's all the time we had left. And the comments section of this video, like Luke got absolutely torn apart for ripping off Jay's idea. Okay, he ripped it off. And meanwhile, Jay's like, guys, people come up with the same idea all the time. And so A, and B, it's not like I invented this idea. And we've seen the same stupid stuff on just about any video that multiple YouTubers make in the tech space. Like no one seems to care that everyone and their dog does a video, you know, hydro dipping something within the same week, like in the, comedy or like vlogger type of space. But for whatever reason in the tech space, if two people do a video about the same topic, it's like, oh, copied. I mean, another perfect example is like building a PC with your kid. I got so many comments that I was like ripping off Jayztwocents idea. I'm gonna give you guys a news flash. Back then, 5 years ago, and today, I don't watch Jay's videos. I don't need Jay to keep me up to speed on tech. Like, I'm on the same briefings as him like most of the time, right? Like, it's just not necessary for me. I didn't know he had made a network wall video. I didn't know he had done a build with his daughter. And especially the like DIYing something with your kid and uploading it to YouTube genre. Newsflash, not invented by me, not invented by him at all. Like, that ain't a new thing.